When you're sipping your morning coffee today, have you ever wondered about its origins and the bold step of one man that transformed India into a global coffee powerhouse? Journey with me back in time to discover a tale that's just not about coffee, but about courage, unity, and lasting impact. The incredible legacy of Baba Budan, the saint whose humble act changed India's destiny forever. Our story begins in the mystical hills of South India in Chikmagalur, where Baba Budan grew up surrounded by wise Sufi saints who infused values of peace, compassion, and harmony. Guided by his beloved mentor, Dada Hayat, Baba Budan became a champion of unity, spreading kindness and understanding wherever he traveled. Years later, his quest for deep spiritual meaning led him to a momentous pilgrimage to Mecca. On his return, he paused in Yemen and encountered something extraordinary: coffee, a drink that brought people together in warmth and camaraderie. But there was a catch. The precious coffee seeds of Yemen were fiercely protected, allowed out only as a roasted bean, never raw, making cultivation elsewhere virtually impossible. Inspired by a spirit of generosity and bold adventure, Baba Budan decided to defy the odds, secretly gathering 7 secret seeds. He hid them cleverly in his beard and walking stick, bringing them back home to India beneath the gaze of strict guards. Settling in Chikmagalur, Karnataka, he planted these seeds in the fertile soil of Western Ghats. The hills soon blossomed with the aroma of the Arabica coffee, enchanting locals and creating a new tradition of sharing coffee as a symbol of hospitality and friendship. Yet Baba Budan's story is more than seeds and soil. His life was a testament to peace, bringing Hindus and Muslims together. His shrine today still welcomes visitors from every background as a beacon of unity. Fast forward to 2025, India has grown into the world's 7th largest coffee producers and 5th largest exporter, shipping over 400,000 metric tons of coffee each year. So next time you have your coffee, know its origins. Thank you.